Check out columns and data types of an SQLite database table. In SQLite, there is no direct equivalent of the describe or info functions in pandas for generating summary statistics. However, you can use various SQL queries to calculate similar statistics on an SQLite table. Here are a few examples. Something simple you can do is just a count. So connecting to my SQLite database here called mydatabase.db, I can go to the table and just select count. Then I see 3,000 rows, and I can expand on that a little by getting some statistics for a specific column. In this way, this code here says get the minimum of the longitude column and also its maximum, mean, median, sum, and count. If I were to run that, then I would get that information in one row. Then, finally, we have a way of summarizing the data types using PRAGMA. And I'll tell you more about PRAGMA now. This query returns information about the table's columns, including their names and data types. You may need to write custom queries for external libraries to obtain more advanced statistics such as quartiles or mode. So in SQLite then you have PRAGMA. PRAGMA is a special command that allows you to query or modify various aspects of the database engine's behavior and settings. The term PRAGMA stands for Programmatic General Purpose Attribute, and it is used to manage database-specific settings and options. Here are a few key points about PRAGMA in SQLite. PRAGMA statements are used for querying and modifying SQLite-specific settings, behaviors, and metadata. PRAGMA statements are executed using SQL syntax. PRAGMA statements do not follow the traditional SQL pattern for returning result sets. Instead, they typically return a single row with a single column that contains the requested information. PRAGMA statements can be used to retrieve information about tables, columns, indices, and other database objects. You can also use them to change settings such as journaling mode, foreign key enforcement, and case sensitivity. PRAGMA statements are database specific and may not be supported by other database management systems. They are designed specifically for SQLite, and it's quite a unique feature, and it is unique. And is unique SQLite's unique features and behaviors. Overall, PRAGMA statements in SQLite provide a way to access and modify database-specific settings and properties that are not covered by standard SQL statements. They are a powerful tool for managing and fine-tuning SQLite databases.